Hey, what's going on, people? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I thought I'd do a quick update video for you guys. Obviously, there's been a lot of stuff going on in regards to Binance. I've got a very interesting article to show you guys as well, which kind of links. And I thought it was very relevant for me to actually share it. And yeah, we will actually end off the video just by looking at a few charts, because there is some good news going on within the market, and I feel like it's relevant for us to actually take our mind off some of the other things and take a look at this. One thing I did want to say was that I was very baffled yesterday, because some of the reactions that I got to the video I done yesterday in regards to Binance replying with their tweet. I was very shocked to see the type of reactions I got, because it was so mixed. You know, you had one person saying, you know, that they're panicking, they need to get everything off the exchange. You've got one person saying that no, everything is absolutely fine. We do not need to get it off the exchange. You got one person saying the banks are just scared. You got one person, you know, coming at me saying that this is irrelevant, I shouldn't even be videoing it. So much stuff going on. I'm just like, my mind's just blown. Do you know what I mean? I'll be honest, I don't know where I'm sitting with it. I'm more on the side of the banks are scared of crypto coming after them. But of course, we cannot say that for sure. But yeah, it was just kind of weird to see the mixed reaction. So not everyone is on the same page. Everyone's got different views and opinions on it. Hence why in the live stream yesterday, I wanted everyone to bring their views and opinions just to kind of discuss them. So if anyone's actually down to actually discuss some of your views or opinions, let me know. You can come on the live stream with me, man. We could discuss it together, share your thoughts as well. And yeah, we can take it from there. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. The first thing I wanted to show you guys, this was the interesting article. Doesn't link directly to Binance, but it's got a link, and it's this right here, right? So investors stay clear. UBS warns regulators could pop bubble-like crypto markets. UBS has joined the phalanx of banks expressing concern over their customers investing in digital assets. Now, again, before I get into that, it kind of says it all right there. The banks are expressing their concerns of customers getting into digital assets. Are these banks actually scared of crypto? I could completely see why. I used the example yesterday of how, you know, savings, for example, something like Anchor Protocol, where you can save up to 20% a year, whereas banks could offer, like, maybe the best one would offer you 2%. Do you know what I mean? Like, just little things like that, and they're going to develop and get even better. So it seems like it's going that way. I don't know, but let's just read into it even more anyway and just kind of see what they're saying. So Swiss multinational investment banking giant UBS has warned its clients that crypto assets are unsuitable for professional investors if regulatory pressure continues. In a note sent to clients last week, the global wealth management team at UBS said China's latest crackdown had hurt crypto prices, and operators cautioning that further regulatory pushback worldwide could exacerbate the downward pressure on digital asset prices. So they said here, regulators have demonstrated they can and will crack down on crypto. So we suggest investors stay clear and build their portfolio around less risky assets. We've long warned that shifting investor sentiment or regulatory crackdowns could pop bubble-like crypto markets. While we can't rule out future price gains in crypto, we see this as a speculative market that possess significant risks to professional investors. So, I mean, you guys can let me know what your thoughts are on that. Again, it's just one of those things, isn't it? It is another country, another situation coming at crypto. Obviously, this is not based purely on Binance. We will get into that. But you can just kind of see it's just coming non-stop. So that once one thing started, another thing came after, and it's just going like that right now. And the reason why it links into it is because of the whole Binance and Barclays situation at the moment, right? Again, some people find it a big deal. Some people don't care. Some people want me to stop talking about it. I'm just trying to update people on what the articles are saying. But you know, it just goes to show it just seems like one after the other at the moment. Now, this article right here is literally just everything that was said yesterday, but this was written. I wanted to get like an insight to what they're actually, how they're wording it. So this is a Cointelegraph. So Binance disappointed by Barclays unilateral. For those in the comments, thank you very much for correcting me on that. I called it unilateral yesterday, so arrest me. Very sorry. Unilateral action to block customer payments. A Binance spokesperson reiterated to Cointelegraph that the Financial Conduct Authority's recent edict only applied to Binance Markets Limited, or BML, which is a separate legal entity from the main global exchange that operates through Binance.com. So Barclays' decision to stop facilitating British customers' payments to Binance has been met with criticism by the cryptocurrency exchange after a spokesperson told Cointelegraph that the bank acted with an inaccurate understanding of events. And this is basically what I said yesterday. We are disappointed that Barclays appears to have taken a unilateral action based on what appears to be an inaccurate understanding of events. The spokesperson said, referring to a recent edict by the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, barring Binance Markets Limited from operating in the country. The FCA notice relates to Binance Market Limited, which is a company incorporated in the UK and regulated by the FCA, adding that the BML is a separate legal entity that doesn't offer any products or services through the main Binance website. We have always taken the security of our users' money very seriously. So, again, I suppose the more you kind of read it, the more you maybe understand it a little bit more. In a sense, they are telling people not to worry. This is a separate entity. It's got nothing to do with us at this moment in time. But, the reason why I was very, very confused and shocked yesterday was because they didn't really come out and explain the whole situation with faster payments, and why they're still not, the deposits for faster payments are still not available on Binance. It's just little things like this that people really want to know about, why it's taking so long. It's been well over a week now. Hence why my reaction yesterday. So I apologize if that came out a different way, nothing like that at all. I'm trying to sit on the fence. I'm just reporting the news to you guys. But, you can understand that there is a lot going on and we're all just trying to understand it. Everyone has got a different opinion on it. So it's not that your opinion's right. It's not that my opinion's right. It's not that his or hers opinion's right. Wherever it may be, we don't know. Fact is, we don't know. So let's just kind of wait until we get more clarification at this moment in time. The last thing I kind of wanted to end on was quite good news, okay? And we were basically speaking about a chart of COMP. COMP has basically shown to be a leader in the market over the last few days, and it's kind of showing the way. We always got to recognize who the leaders are. And at this moment in time right now, I'm going to go full screen here. Last time I spoke about COMP was when we were at these levels. We were chilling just underneath here, and I said that I found resistance there. It had already smashed past the recent resistance there, which a lot of cryptos are still under here. So this was on the 15th of June. This, right, smashed through it, found resistance here. Nothing's basically broken through there, or a Bitcoin anyway, right? That's the 26th of May. It's completely smashed its way through there right now as well. So it is showing the way. You move over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is still chilling under the 15th of June, as we can see the line right there. We're still way underneath it. And I've done this because basically we were looking at this. We are making higher lows at this moment in time, which is what we were expecting. However, I then did realize that, we could just be doing this as well. And if this is the case, we do seem to be getting close to Bitcoin making a decision on whether it's going to break up or down. We obviously will hope it does break up. If it does break up, we will be looking at Wyckoff accumulation in phase D, where things do just start, getting a little bit more excited and we do start grinding our way up. But it's good to see COMP back at these levels. That would be the equivalent as Bitcoin being up here around the 44,000 mark. COMP is showing the way. Very, very good to see. Hopefully that is just signs of what is to come throughout the entire market and Bitcoin as well. And if this is what is happening, Bitcoin could be making a decision on what it wants to do within the next 2 to 3 days. So yeah, we'll wait and see how that plays out. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just figuring out whether or not I do want to be doing a live stream tonight, guys. Because I've got a few things going on, and obviously England are playing tomorrow, so I'm not going to be doing it tomorrow, but I'll let you all know on social media anyway, so please be sure to check that out. Link in the description below for the Discord. Hopefully you guys can join that too. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Hopefully I'll bring you another update soon when I get one. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you are notified when I do a new video, and I will see you guys very soon. Take care.